Welcome to Foxify tutorial by FoxEcom. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to create a custom 404 page using Foxify Page Builder. We'll walk through setting up the page, structuring the layout, and styling it so you can deliver a clean, on-brand experience even when visitors land on the wrong link. Let's jump right in. First, open the Foxify Page Builder app from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're inside the app, go to the top right corner and click Create Page. A window will appear asking you to choose the page type. Select 404 as the page type, and then choose Start from Scratch. This will give us a blank canvas to design our custom error page. Inside the Foxify editor, click the Add Blank Section button. We'll use this section as the container for all the 404 content. Now, with the section selected, go to the right-hand settings panel. Under General, change the container to full width. This ensures our content spans the whole screen. Next, switch to the Design tab, scroll down to the size settings, and set the minimum height to 100 view height. This makes the section fill the entire height of the screen, which is perfect for centered 404 layouts. Now let's build the layout. In this example, we'll use a single stack element to create a clean, centered structure that's perfect for a 404 page. Not sure how to use the stack element? Watch our quick video guide. Open the Basic Elements panel from the left sidebar, and drag the stack element into the empty section. Now let's customize the stack element so it sits perfectly centered inside the section. First, with the stack selected, go to the right-hand panel. Set the width and height to the size you prefer. Next, let's center the entire stack inside the section. Use the Align Horizontally Center button and the Align Vertically Center button. This ensures the stack stays perfectly centered both left to right and top to bottom. Now, under Auto Layout, change the direction to vertical so all elements inside the stack flow top to bottom. Under the Auto Layout settings, set Distribute and Align to Center. This ensures all items remain visually balanced. Finally, you can also adjust the gap value to control spacing between the elements. Let's start adding the content for our 404 page. First, we'll create the large 404 graphic. Open the Basic Elements panel and drag a frame into the stack. New to frames? Check out our short video tutorial. Inside the frame, add a heading for the first 4. Add an image element for your emoji or icon. Then add another heading for the second 4. Now let's style them. Select each heading and adjust the font size, weight, color, and alignment in the Design tab. Then select the image, resize it, and center it between the two numbers. Next, add your page content. Drag a heading into the stack and enter a message like "Oops, page not be found." Add a paragraph below it with a short explanation. Add a button such as Back to Home page. Use the Design tab to style these elements, adjust font, size, color, alignment, and button background. For the button link, set click action to open link, then enter / to link back to your homepage. This creates a clean, user-friendly 404 layout. And that's it, your custom 404 page, fully built with Foxify. Before publishing, don't forget to preview on mobile and tablet to ensure everything looks great across all devices. Want to refine your page for smaller screens? Check out our tutorial on mobile optimization. With Foxify, creating seamless, engaging storefront pages has never been easier. Thanks for watching. Have ideas or topics you'd like us to cover next? Leave a comment, we'd love to help bring your ideas to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more Foxify tutorials by FoxEcom.